Hello friends, welcome to Enabling Accessibility channel. We receive notifications from system and apps which pops up for few seconds and disappears. If we don't react quickly and take action, the notification disappears within seconds. Friends, now let's see how to access notifications in Windows 10. Before we start our tutorial, I have a small request for you. For more interesting tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. So now let's start our tutorial. The notification pops up on the bottom right of the screen and disappears within few seconds. As it is difficult to access notification pop-ups quickly, we can use Action Center to access the notifications later. If you miss the notification, you can always open the Action Center and review them, clear them, or take appropriate action. Let's take a look at this together. I'll press Windows key plus A to open Action Center.
Action Center.
The Windows Action Center slides into view from the right side of the screen. It takes up 1/4 of the screen and the items are arranged vertically from top to bottom. We can use arrow keys to check the notifications list here or press Tab to explore the items. I'll press Tab to explore.
Manage Notifications button to activate, press spacebar. List box, Notifications from Realtek HD Audio Manager.
The first thing I heard is there's a notification from Realtek HD Audio Manager. Friends, you may have different notifications from what I have, but there are some common items which you can find in Action Center. The notifications are grouped into categories with the name of the app, and there is Clear Notifications button for each group. We can press Tab to find Clear Notification button for this group. Let me press Tab now.
Clear all notifications for Realtek HD Audio Manager button to activate, press spacebar.
We heard Clear Notification for Realtek HD Audio Manager button. If I press space here, the notifications for this group will be cleared. As we are exploring, I'll keep pressing Tab till my focus is back to top.
Notifications from Synaptics Touchpad Enhancements. Clear all notifications for Synaptics Touchpad Enhancements button to activate, press spacebar. Collapsed Quick Actions button to activate, press spacebar. Clear all notifications button to activate, press spacebar. Tablet mode button not checked to activate, press spacebar. Brightness left right slider 0 to increase or decrease, use the arrow keys. Manage notifications button to activate, press spacebar. List box, Notifications from Realtek HD Audio Manager.
As I was exploring, there were notifications and some buttons. Now let's examine them in detail. The first thing is there's a notification from Realtek HD Audio Manager. We can press down arrow to check the actual notification under this group. I'll press down arrow to check the notifications under this group.
Notifications from Realtek HD Audio Manager. Information, you just plugged the device into the audio jack ... Received at 16:17. Information, you just unplugged the device from the audio jack ... Received at 16:17.
As I press down arrow, we heard two things. The first one is when I plugged the audio device, and the second one is when I unplugged the audio device. We can continue pressing down arrow to check other available notifications. If there are two or more notifications in the same group, you can take action on single notification by pressing Tab. Okay, let me press Tab now.
Clear this notification button 1 of 3 to activate, press spacebar. Expand this notification button 2 of 3 to activate, press spacebar. Settings for this notification button 3 of 3 to activate, press spacebar.
When I pressed Tab at the second notification, we heard Clear this notification button, expand this notification button, and settings for this notification button. We can take any action from these three by pressing space on appropriate item. Now let's explore other items by pressing Tab. I'll press Tab to go to next item.
Notifications from Synaptics Touchpad Enhancements.
I heard there is a notification from Synaptics Touchpad. If I continue pressing Tab, we will find Clear Notification button for this group also.
Clear all notifications for Synaptics Touchpad Enhancements button to activate, press spacebar.
If I press Tab again, there is Quick Actions button.
Expand Quick Actions button to activate, press spacebar.
When we find Quick Actions button, we should understand that The focus is out of last notification. There are some common items which we find in Action Center like Quick Actions button, Clear All Notifications button, Tablet Mode button, and Brightness slider. I'll check current focus by pressing Insert tab.
Expand Quick Actions button to activate, press spacebar.
We heard Expand Quick Actions button. We can show and hide quick settings by pressing spacebar on this button. When we hear Expand, the quick settings are hidden, and if we hear Collapse, the quick settings are shown. Now I'll press space on this button.
Collapse Quick Actions button to activate, press spacebar.
We heard Collapse Quick Actions button and the quick settings are shown. Friends, let's leave these quick settings for a second and press tab now.
Clear All Notifications button to activate, press spacebar.
There is Clear All Notifications button which will clear all the notifications from the Action Center. Let's press tab again.
Tablet Mode button not checked to activate, press spacebar.
Now we heard Tablet Mode button. Here, quick settings are available. The settings like turning on and off, nearby sharing, aeroplane mode, location, Bluetooth are available in quick settings. We can use right arrow to explore items and space to activate. Now I'll press right arrow to check.
Network button to activate, press spacebar. All settings button to activate, press spacebar. Nearby sharing button not checked to activate, press spacebar. Airplane mode button not checked to activate, press spacebar. Location button not checked to activate, press spacebar.
We heard there is network button, all settings button, nearby sharing button, and aeroplane mode button. There are more available here. Please explore when you have time. Now I'll press tab.
Brightness left right slider 0 to increase or decrease, use the arrow keys.
Here there is brightness slider and you can use arrow keys to change the system brightness. We can press escape to close Action Center.
Desktop.
Friends, if you have anything to share with us, please share it in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For more tutorials like this, like our videos and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.